Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to pay Netflix. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Netflix website, then sign into your account. Next, you will access your account settings to begin the payment method update. This process ensures a smooth transition to your new payment option, providing you with uninterrupted entertainment. It's a straightforward way to manage your subscription. To add PayPal, simply locate the Membership and Billing section within your account settings, and then click on Manage Payment Info. From there, you will select the option to add payment method, and then choose PayPal from the available choices. You'll be securely redirected to PayPal's website to complete the login and authorization process, ensuring your account is safely linked. This takes just a few moments to set up. After authorizing PayPal, you will be automatically returned to your Netflix account page. Here, you should see PayPal listed among your payment options. It is crucial to set PayPal as your preferred or default payment method to ensure future payments are processed automatically. This confirmation step guarantees your subscription remains active without interruption, providing complete peace of mind. Your subscription is now seamlessly managed. Using PayPal offers excellent security and convenience for your Netflix payments. If you encounter issues, double-check your PayPal login details or ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. Sometimes, payment failures occur if your PayPal account lacks sufficient funds or a linked bank account. Reviewing these common areas can quickly resolve most problems, allowing you to enjoy your shows without any fuss. It's a reliable payment solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.